with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious salad, a carrot and beet salad, and it is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria.
Here, I want to start with the carrots. I'm going to take the skin off of the carrots, being very careful of only taking the skin off. And then I am going to start cutting them in juliennes. Let me show you how easy it is. Look at this. And I bought this peeler at Amazon. Very easy to cut it in little strips. Look how beautiful this looks. This salad is so delicious and so refreshing. Here at home, we really enjoy it in this hot weather. And this salad goes with everything. You could eat it on its own. Look at this. You could eat it at its own, or you could even add it on top of tacos. Tacos de carne asada, tacos de pollo. You decide. You could even top it on tostadas. This is a very versatile salad. I love enjoying it with grilled chicken or grilled meat. I really love enjoying the salad, or sometimes I just eat it by itself. It's so delicious. And you know that these ingredients you could find in any supermarket. And this is a very healthy salad for your gut. So many properties in the carrot, in the beets. Look at this. Pull them apart, and then you're ready to add it right inside the crystal bowl. Look at this. Now I have my scallions here. I'm just going to cut the edges, and then I'm just going to cut away. I'm going to cut them small in little pieces so that you could see it throughout the salad. Look at this. This is just delicious. I have a little bit of cilantro. I would say like 3 tablespoons of cilantro. It's going to give it an earthy flavor. I'm going to add it into the bowl. And of course, don't forget to add your garlic cloves. I'm adding 4 garlic cloves. The garlic cloves are really going to give this amazing salad a delicious flavor. You want to dice your garlic very small, really tiny, so that it really releases all those amazing flavors of the garlic. This salad is so delicious. I am sure that once you make it, you're going to continue enjoying it. So here I'm adding it directly into a bowl. I'm going to have all the ingredients in the description box. Half a cup of rice vinegar, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of agave syrup, and of course, the juice of 2 lemons. And these lemons are organic, beautiful family. So here I'm adding everything into this little bowl. I'm going to mix really good. I'm not adding any salt. If you already know me, I don't like to add too much salt into my food. So I'm not adding salt. The soy sauce has enough salt, but if you want to add a little, go ahead. That's your choice. I'm going to go ahead and show you how beautiful this looks. All those amazing colors. I'm going to add the dressing right on the top, and then I'm going to incorporate everything. I want everything to be covered with the dressing. Let me tell you, the longer it stays in your refrigerator, the more delicious it gets. It's really crispy. really delicious. The flavor, oh my God. My mouth is watering because this is a delicious and healthy salad for you to enjoy in your picnics, in your tacos, you name it. Add it to everything. It's healthy and delicious. So here, look at all those amazing colors. The sesame seeds all throughout the salad. This just looks perfection. And here I'm going to add it to the presentation plate. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share, and make it. Enjoy it with your beautiful family like I'm going to enjoy it with my family. It's nice and hot here in California. And let me tell you, this salad is perfect for this hot weather. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll
Hi friends, I am completely done with this amazing salad. This salad of carrot and beet, just perfect for this hot weather. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. Crunchy and delicious. This salad goes with any type of meat or seafood. Mmm. Mmm. If you liked and loved this amazing salad, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Share